So basically I just made this for people who are getting this notification or like it's just not working for you, because I tried a lot of tutorials and none of them were working until I messed around and finally got to work when I did this. Hi, I'm going to show you how to set a custom wallpaper with focus and shortcuts. So swipe down, press focus, and then press new focus at the bottom. Select custom, and then you can name it, pick your colour and your picture, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Press next, and then I select calls from everyone, and then you can select all your contacts so that they can have notifications on your screen. Select all your apps. I turn on time sensitive as well, and then just press done. Now I also am going to click on home screen and select which screens I wanted to show. I'm just selecting the last one, and then you're going to close this and you're going to go to your photos. You're going to find the picture you want to be your wallpaper, like what you want it to change to, and then you're going to create an album with only this photo. Just name it whatever you want. And then now you're going to open up shortcuts and you're going to go to automation in the bottom middle, and then press the plus sign in the top right, create personal, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on the focus you just made. Make sure it's on when turning on. Press next, add action, and search up find photos. You're going to click on that one, and then you're going to press add filter, and then when it says recent, you're going to click on that one and you're going to go select the album you just put the photo you want in. Now you're going to limit it, select down to 1, and then sort by random. Now you're going to use the search bar at the bottom and search up wallpaper. You're going to press on that one. You're going to click on the lock screen home screen. I'm just selecting home screen, and then open up the photos and turn off show previews. Press next in the top right, and then turn off ask before running, and then press done. Now go back to your screen, swipe down, select the focus you just made, and then it should automatically change, and there you go. Easy peasy.